Alright, so here are the beans. Got a marigold here, marigold there to kind of attract pollinators, attract the bees, whatever the case is. I actually have a piece of a broken off tomato right there. But take a look at these beans, you all. These are the stringless beans. But take a look in here. Let's see. Look at all of these beans. All of these beans are ready to be picked. Oh my goodness. All of these beans are ready. This makes a good, look, go and get them, pick them, wash them off, throw them in the skillet, saute it, put you some smoke seasoning on it. Ooh, all this is one plant. Look at that. We actually got 2 rows. Row in the front, 1 row in the back. Look at that. Look at that. Beans on beans on beans, baby. Look at this one. Got these beans. Woo! Beans are one of the fastest growing foods that I've come across. My mom, she planted some beans like the last 2 years. Those things popped up within days. Woo! Yes, look at that. Look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and harvest some. And once we're gonna probably harvest most of them that's the right size. Kind of clean them up, get rid of some of these other ones, prune these back, prune these over here. They're so heavy, they're like leaning down. They're so heavy. Yeah, so we're gonna prune these. The more we prune and pick, the more they grow. Welcome to my channel, you all. I am Only D. We are eating good this summer. Woo! I am loving it. First time in this garden area. Getting it in.